Hi everyone, it's the editor here from robinhooddashcam. I hope you're well, staying safe, and as always, are enjoying the videos. We're back here again for another Buy Me a Coffee thank you video, and my thanks go to, this time, Mary Ann and John Nola, who bought me a coffee. Thank you so much, it's ever so kind of you. And they left a little note on the donation. They said, have a coffee, cake, or whatever you fancy on us. We look forward to your videos every single week. Thank you for keeping us entertained from Clifton. So hey, I have some fans in Clifton. That's pretty cool. Thank you so much, guys. That's amazing. I didn't go for a coffee again. I have my sweet tooth from the Coke and Oreos is definitely still lingering, and I went for something a little bit different. I went for this. So what you see before you is vanilla flavoured Coke. Yeah, this stuff is actually imported from America. So yeah, it's very, very sweet. Very much used to low sugar foods here in England now with the sugar tax. Most of the stuff I drink is sugar free, but this stuff is absolutely loaded with the stuff and is in a full size American can. Our cans are typically 330 mils. I think this is a 355. So everything is bigger and better in America. It must be true. But yeah, I've had this before many years ago, about 15 years ago. I tried this in France and it was absolutely delicious. Couldn't get it in England for a very long time. There was a short period of time when you could get it in England, but that shortly disappeared when the sugar tax came in, and I've not had it since. So, an American import, and well, a bit of a throwback to my teenage years, being truthful. I'll give it a go and see if it brings back all those memories and makes my teeth feel like there's moss growing on them. Oh well, yeah, the sugar hits straight away. It's sweet, it's glorious, it's amazing. Love that stuff. Probably couldn't have more than one can now. I can already feel my teeth disintegrating. But no, yeah, we'll have the rest of that. That is brilliant. Thank you so much, Mary Ann and John. Really appreciate that. It wasn't a cheap can because it was an import, so the money's gone to keeping me and my sweet tooth happy. If you'd like to donate me a coffee, I'd really appreciate it. All the information is in the video description and the comments. And if you do so, I'll make you a thank you video. One quick thing before I go, we are back to posting weekly at 4:30 on a Friday, so fans of the channel will know we post on every fortnight. No, we're now back to weekly, so more dash cam shenanigans to kick your weekend off. That's all for now, folks. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you all soon. Take care.